Hey, have you heard about DIGISTORE24? And you've also heard that is a big affiliate marketplace where you can promote digital products worldwide and make money in foreign currencies. But unfortunately, you're from one of those restricted countries on the DIGISTORE24 list and you could not make your account, or you're not able to make an account, or you attempted to make an account but the account got banned. If yes, then don't worry. In this video I'll show you some simple steps of how to create a DIGISTORE24 account wherever you are in the world. Even though you're in restricted country, you will still follow this method and create a Digistore account. Hello, my name is Lokiato and you're welcome to Digital Skills Academy Hub. If you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos, and also check the description below for stuff that will help you to make money legitimately online. All right, so let's head straight into it. All right guys, as you can see, I'm on my screen right now and I'm ready to go ahead and start making my DIGISTORE24 account. Like I said, if you're from all these regions or location where Digistore is restricted or banned, with this simple method you can create your Digistore account. In fact, wherever you are in the world, you can create your Digistore account. All you need is a good IP setup. So as you can see, my IP is set up, and the first thing, once I finish setting up my IP, the first thing I do is to go to this website over here. Pixelscans.net is the best to use and check your IP, and you want to make sure that your IP is checked green. You can see browser OS is checked green, detected your location. I'm using an IP of Austria. I'm using an Austria IP. So as you can see, my location detected is Europe Vietnam, which is Austria. Then your IP looks good. Then you are not masking your fingerprint. It is very important. Just to recheck it on another site again, I use IPA. So you can see this is IPA, another good website that helps you check the quality of your IP. But if you come on this website now and you're seeing your browser fingerprints are inconsistent, then know that your IP is bad, and I will advise you don't proceed in making your Digistore account. All right, so without much ado, let's head straight into it. Someone is asking me, what IP setup am I using? I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I won't be able to share this IP setup on Facebook, on this public domain. Why? Because it will get abused and it will get busted, if you know what I mean. So if you need this IP setup, I'll drop a link in the description below. Check it out, or you hit me up for this IP setup and you'll get it. Okay, I'll share it to you, both the browser I'm using and the IP itself, the IP provider itself that I'm using, because there are tons and tons of IP out there, but not all IPs are good. Most of the IPs, I'll tell you for free, almost 95% of the IPs out there are blacklisted. Okay, so it's one thing to use an IP and it's another thing to use a quality IP service provider. So let's head straight into it and start making our DIGISTORE24 account. I'm coming from a restricted region. Okay, so that is why I needed this IP setup. So let's head straight into it, guys. So I'll just visit DIGISTORE24 accounts rather. Okay, so this is it here. DIGISTORE24 account, as we all know, is the second largest, or I'll say is among the largest affiliate store out there. All right, affiliate network out there where you promote products and you earn good money. After ClickBank, you have DIGISTORE24, then you have others. Okay, so the language here is in Dutch, as you can see here, DIGISTORE24/Dutch. So I'll just switch to English. Let me see. Yeah, I'll just switch it to, this is France English. Rather, I mean to say UK and US English. You can see their flag here. I said France, sorry about that. Okay, so I've switched back from Dutch to English. So now what we have to do is to head straight and start making our account. So the next thing you want to do is to click on get started. Okay, so we'll start filling up our information. Okay, so our public username, although I'm creating this account for someone, so I'll use his name, Harry Milner. I'll use his name for Harry Milner 112 112. Okay, so the email address will be, all right, so okay, so this should be the email address. Then the password, let me choose the password. Okay, so what I do is I use at least six different numbers. Okay, you can do maybe three numbers, maybe use 3 4s, 3 5, 3 7, 3 9. Okay, 3 9, 3 7. Then you use an uppercase letter with a lowercase letter, then you use two special characters. So that is what I just did here. Now then, what is your main source of revenue? I am a vendor. I primarily sell my own products. I am an affiliate. I primarily promote the product of other vendors. So this is what we want to do. We don't have our own product. You see, that is the beauty of affiliate marketing. You don't need to have your own product. All right, all you just need to do is to get a good product of others, promote it, and make money. It's very, very easy to make money nowadays with affiliate marketing. All right, so just click on I have read. Actually, it's good for you to read this. So if you have any question in mind tomorrow, you know that you've read their B2B contracts, terms and condition, privacy policy, or wherever. Okay, but we don't have time for that. So, but on your own, read it. So I'll just click on continue. Okay, so now, let me save this. I'll need it later. Mr. or Mrs. Okay, leave it as Mr. So first name should be Harry. First name should be Harry. Last name should be Milner. Okay, this guy is a South African. So company, I'll just put it Harry Milner Enterprise. Milner Enterprise. Okay. All right, then street. So now this is where you need to generate address. If you have watched the ClickBank account creation process, I showed you how to get address, most especially if you're creating account from Austria. So if you have not watched that ClickBank account, I'll link it in the description below. Check it out and then you'll find the video. All right, so now what we need to do is head over to Google, open a search box, and just search for valid residential addresses in Austria. You can do this for any country of your choice. Just type in valid residential addresses in Portugal, Argentina, Australia itself, Canada, okay, any country at all, and click on enter. Okay, so there's a particular site I make use of. It's called bestrandoms.com. Best random tools. You can see it over here. It brings out valid addresses of major countries in the world. So all you just need to do is to click on it. All right, so if you want it to generate more than 6 addresses, you can generate more than 6, but the quantity that I said is 6. So now from here, now you can now select any of these addresses that you want to select. Okay, so now let's see. First and foremost, let me check out my IP address and configuration and everything. Okay, so as you can see, my ISP is okay, Magenta Telecom. User type IP cellular. Okay, I'm using a cellular IP. Right, web TRC address. This is my IP providers. They are very, very good. They are top notch, I must tell you. Okay, so let's see. Location is there. Let me go to IPA. All right, IPA, Vienna, Austria. Okay, so I'll just use any of these addresses. I believe is good. Let me see if I'll see Vienna. This is Lower Australia. Okay, Upper Australia. Let me go with Upper Australia. Okay, so I'll just copy this. This is the street. Okay, come over here and paste it. Then house number, you can use this as the house number 35. Should be the house number 35. Then suit this, we don't need that, so let's come over and take our zip code. No, oh my god, what did I just, oh shit, I was supposed to skip this ads. I hope I still have the same address. Oh, do I still have the same address? Okay, yeah, sure, still have the same address. Okay, so our zip code is 4691. Okay, zip code is 4691. Then city should be the city. Okay, this is the city. Okay, so now the state itself, let's see, what state are we using? State Upper Austria. Okay, let's use Upper Austria. Okay, so as you can see, the country is already filled automatically. All right, so now phone number. Now I'll advise you use a real number, because when you're using fake numbers, they have all this system in place to detect either fake number, or what will I call it, or VoIP numbers, that is visual online numbers. Although the number I'm using is a visual number but from real devices, because I use this number to make, I can use this number to create Gmail, I can use this number to verify most of these accounts. So if I can use this number to verify Gmail and some other accounts, then you should know that is a real number. Okay, and the site that I use, of course, is called SMS PVA. You can see it's SMS PVA, the sell good quality numbers. Okay, so all you just need to do is to come on to SMS PVA, login. Okay, so I'll just log in. Okay, all right, so as I'm signed in, okay, all I just need to do is to search, depending on the service you want to use on SMS PVA, you'll need to, for a start, you'll need to deposit some funds in your account so that you'll be able to generate numbers. Although these numbers, we will not be charged for it, because we are not waiting to get code. Once you get code for each number that you generate on this website, you are charged. So we are not going to be waiting for code. We just need a number to use, and we will cancel the code. So what I normally do is I go for this app over here called Viber. Then I come over here and search for Austria. Okay, as you can see, the fee is 0.50. I'll just click on it, buy number. So you can see this is the number over here. I'll just copy it like this, come over to DIGISTORE24 and put their country code, which is +43. Okay, let's double check it again, +43. So once you do that, you still have up to 9 minutes to wait for code to come in, but since we are not actually waiting for code, we just refuse, and your balance is still there for you. All right, so this is how I get numbers to verify most of this site. Then for your Skype or Telegram ID, you can make a Skype or a Telegram ID for yourself. Mine is King Lucky Arthur. So as you can see, sounds good, right? Yeah, if you hit me on this handle on Telegram, you'll get me live and direct. All right, so we have filled out all this. All we just need now to do is to click on register for free. Save this. Make sure you are writing down these addresses in case in the future, if you need, maybe they require some verification from you or something, whatever it is, you can provide the exact information that you fill in. So now discover the secret to making your first 1K with affiliate marketing. I'm telling you guys, affiliate marketing is the real shot. If you're just starting, you can start even for free. Okay, you can start for free, start generating organic traffic It's all about your dedication, your passion, your push, and everything about it. All right, your determination to succeed. So now you see they have a free, they are telling you about a free course to, you see.
And to see achieve the life freedom you've always dreamt of. Hey, Spin, thank you for that awesome introduction. My name is Barry Belcher, and I'm here to help you make more money as a DIGISTORE24 affiliate. You know, there
All right, so I'll just pause it. I just want you to, hear what they're saying. Even the CEOs can see these are part of the Digistore 24 team. These are big companies, guys. These are big companies where you can work and, build a sustainable business for yourself. So as you can see from this URL here, it is success, meaning we have created our account successfully. So let's go back to homepage. Then we can come over here and log in. All right, so just log in. Okay, they need the email, they need our email. So come over here and yes, we'll still need to confirm our email. So instead of logging in, let's confirm our email. So you can see we have two email from Digistore. We have the please confirm your email address and a welcome message from Digistore. So hi Harry, it's Francis, CEO of Digistore. So you can see the CEO himself is sending you a welcome message with some quick guide for you to get started, and they want you to make money, because if you make money, they also make money. So it's a win-win game. Okay, so I'll just click on confirm. Yeah, you can click whichever link you want, click here or click there, whichever it is. So I'll just take this away. Okay, they are still all right, they are still speaking Dutch for us. Oh my god, that is the power of an quality IP. Okay, so you see, I'll just click on UK or US English. So they require us to put our password, so put our password, then click on proceed. Okay guys, so as you can see, our account is created successfully, and guess what, you are earning in euros. How sweet is that, guys? You are earning in euros. So all you just need to do is to go to the marketplace and start promoting. Look for quality products. Okay, look for products my offer on the affiliate marketplace. Okay, so you can see these are the marketplace. You look for products and start promoting, guys. Start promoting, put in the work, from animal and pets to system, this, all that. Okay, but actually Clickbank has more products than Digistore24. Clickbank has more products to offer, okay, because they have more vendors over there and all that. You see it? So that is just it. So that will be it for today's training, guys. That will be it for today's training. We've learned how to create a Digistore24 account. Okay, we've learned how to create Digistore24 account. So as you create your account, you just have to wait for some while so that your account will, how will I call it, will update on its own, and of course products will pump out on your marketplace. Currently you can see there's no product there because your account hasn't updated. Once it updates, you're going to see the product there and you start promoting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, I want you to subscribe, and you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. Okay, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up, click on the bell button so that when I drop nice videos like this, you'll get notified. All right, if you have any question, don't forget to drop it, drop your question. And again, I want to know which country you're watching this video from. Tell me the country that you're watching this video from. I'll be excited to know. Just drop it in the comment section there. I'd like to know where you're watching this video from. So we've come to the end of this particular video, guys. So thank you. Make sure you work towards building a life of freedom, a life of time, and everything that you desire in life. Okay, so I'll catch you up in the next video. See you guys. Bye.